How to check if a website is safe. So in this video, I'll show you how to check whether a website is safe to click on, whether a website contains viruses or malware, or whether you're clicking on a scam website. Now I'll show you two different ways on how to do this. The first method is by using Google's website scanner. So from a search engine, type in Google Transparency Report Safe Browsing and press enter. Click on the top website, which is Google's official website scanner. You can then come down to the URL section, and then you'll need to enter the website you want to scan and press search. You can then scroll down and it's going to scan for any potential viruses or unsafe content. Now, as long as the website is safe, you can then go and head over to that website. Once you're on the website, click on this icon to the left-hand side of the address, and you should see a message that says connection is secure. Now, if you see this message, go and click on it, and you should also see a message that says certificate is valid. Now, this is a good indicator that this website is safe, and typically it's much safer to enter your personal information onto a website with a secured connection. So this means your sensitive information such as your credit card numbers and your passwords, it's going to be protected by this HTTPS secure connection.